1 waterfall, 2 waterfalls, 3 waterfalls, 4 waterfalls, 6 waterfalls, 7
You
waterfalls.
forgot 5.
Oh. I'm gonna start over. How's it feel?
You guys, the waterfalls in Bonito are incredible. We are Matt and Seantay Hall Presidential Diamonds at doTERRA. Today's video brings us to the lush, gorgeous waterfalls at Ceita Corê Bonito, Brazil. On the first day here in Bonito alone, we got to visit 7 beautiful waterfalls that took our breath away. We arrived at the farm called Ceita Corê and immediately jumped on the bus to get to the waterfalls.
What are you doing? Where's your smile? There it is.
A cute little Brazilian boy even sang an English song for us.
Happy birthday to you.
The first waterfall was gorgeous over this big pool of water, and we got to swim right up to the waterfall with our kids. They absolutely loved it.
Sky, how does it feel? Ian, how does it feel?
Give me the camera.
They had this rope underwater that the kids could hold on to as they were swimming, which was perfect because they're still not super confident in the water yet. The second waterfall was itty bitty, but still fun to get in the water and play.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
To the waterfall.
To the waterfall! Woohoo! I can't swim any further. It's pushing us away.
Oh no.
The waterfall's pushing me away.
Oh no.
I can't get to it. Kick your legs, kick. We're not getting anywhere.
My feet can't.
Kick. Oh my goodness.
Pushing me away.
We'll swim back. He's tickling.
He's going in your mouth. He's giving you a kiss. Butterfly kisses.
A butterfly.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Oh, race.
We got to feed the fish, and we're completely surrounded. It's so beautiful seeing the wonder in your children's eyes when they see something they've never seen before.
Smile.
We hiked a lot, but it was always so worth it for the kids every time we got to a new waterfall and we could jump in and play again.
2, 3.
Wow. This is the cake.
Yeah.
In front of you.
Come with me.
Okay, it's Daddy's turn.
Go play.
Aspen didn't always want to get in, so we took turns playing in the water. There is something so refreshing swimming in the cool water underneath a crashing waterfall.
Got tornado! Ready? Like water.
Okay, what were you saying?
We go to 1 waterfall, 2 waterfalls, 3 waterfalls, 4 waterfalls, 6 waterfalls, 7
You
waterfalls.
forgot 5.
Oh. I'm gonna start over. 7 waterfalls.
That's it.
That's sick, buddy.
We knew when we started traveling full-time that our kids would sometimes need to sleep on the go. They've already napped in some pretty unique places. The fourth area had multiple waterfalls in the same pool of water and had a high platform for jumping. Lincoln wanted to do it so badly, but was feeling a little too scared up there by himself. It always looks so much higher from on top.
You got it.
Okay, let's come down.
got to show him again, and he got so close. I really thought he was going to do it.
Here I go!
Okay, here we go. You got this right there. Jump straight.
You got it, you got it, you got it!
Okay. You got this. Come on, buddy. No. You got it. Come on. Jump far. Go, you got it. Go.
We obviously didn't want to put a ton of pressure on him. He just wanted to do it so badly. So finally, after working up a ton of courage, he did it. He went with his dad and felt amazing.
Thank you.
I finished!
You did it,
I
buddy.
did it!
She's sleeping.
Okay.
Then we went to a whole other area, the 5th waterfall of the day, where there was a massive pool to play in with a swing and a zip line.
Hey! Jump!
The 6th waterfall was massive, and we got to see it from up high. And the most magical waterfall was saved for the very end. We got to stand right up next to it and just feel the fresh, cool water showering down on us. Now at this point, we were already overwhelmed with how amazing the day was. To top it all off, we got to see the entrance to the deepest cave where all the water for the waterfalls came from. It's literally so deep, divers still haven't discovered where it ends. Lincoln was brave enough to dive in and explore the cave. He absolutely loved it. We got to relax, enjoy a delicious lunch, and the kids even got to go horseback riding.
Excited, Sky? Yeah?
They were so happy.
Yeah.
You wanna hop on a horse with Lincoln?
Yeah. Horse.
Do you want to hop on a horse with Mom?
Yeah. Hop a horse, Mom.
Okay, we'll go together.
Okay.
Is that fun? You like riding a horse? We even got to take a cute little rowboat out with the kids. We got their life jackets on, jumped into the boat, and rowed all around the pond. The kids love taking turns rowing the boat.
You're doing so good, Sky.
Thank you so much for watching. Again, we want to thank Boni Tours for this amazing, amazing experience. We cannot recommend Ceita Corê enough. It was so gorgeous, so unforgettable. And there's no better way to end the day than sharing acai with the ones you love.
Oh. How is it, Lincoln?
I didn't taste the M&M's yet.
Oh yeah, you haven't got to the M&Ms yet? Sky, do you like your acai?
Yeah, but I'm just scooping it on my.
Ah, so good.
Wow.
My food.
Doing the best day in my entire life. Guys,
You're welcome.
you're so welcome.
Be sure to watch out for our video next week where we're going to go into detail about our amazing trip at Praio Natural Frutuação, where we did freshwater snorkeling with our kids. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.